I'm Madison Weaver from the class of 2019. Fall is my favorite time of year at Bucknell because there's so many events that bring campus and the Lewisburg community closer. I'm here at the chemistry department's Halloween show, where professors and chemistry club students work hard to create safe, exciting, and spooky experiments for children and students of all ages. There were puking pumpkins, big flames, and even an appearance by Bucky the Bison. Few lucky kids got to take part in a pumpkin decorating contest before the grand finale. What an awesome night!